Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you all? So today in this video I am going to have discussion on section 354A, sexual harassment and punishment for sexual harassment of Indian Penal Code 1860 provision, that is section 354A. सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट के बारे में सेक्शन 354A के अंदर दिया गया है एंड इट इज ऑल्सो पनिशेबल. उसका प्रोविजन भी सेक्शन 354A के अंदर दिया गया है. What section 354A says, sexual harassment is the unwelcome touching or other physical contact where there is asking by a man of any kind of sexual favor or showing pornography against the will of women and making sexually colored remark on a woman by a man, then he is said to be guilty of an offense of sexual harassment. See, sexual harassment, if I talk about, so IPC, if we talk about, it is not just limited to sexual harassment at the workplace. It punishes such harassment happened anywhere. We are having separate law on harassment, on sexual harassment at workplaces. And the name of that particular act is the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act and Rules 2013. One should know this particular act. This is the separate law on sexual harassment at workplace. Now what section 354A says that? It says that a man, open your parent. It says that a man committing any of the following acts. First is that physical contact and advances involving unwelcome and explicit sexual overtones or a demand or request for sexual favor. Third is showing pornography against the will of a woman and making sexually colored remarks. If these acts is done by a man, then he is found to be guilty of an offense of sexual harassment as per section 354A of Indian Penal Code 1860. Any man who commits the offense which is specified in clause I, second and third, यानी कि फिजिकल कॉन्टैक्ट एंड एडवांस, अगर किसी भी विमेन को एक मैन क्या बोल रहा है टू परफॉर्म एन एक्ट, ही इज सेइंग विमेन for unwelcome touching or any kind of other physical contact, or he is asking a woman or requesting a woman to show some kind of sexual favor, or he is showing pornography against the will of the women, then it is said to be an offense of sexual harassment, right? तो ये आपके 3 क्लॉज है स्टार्टिंग के 354A के अकॉर्डिंग. नाउ सबसेक्शन 2 बोलता है अगर ये 3 क्लॉजेस जो है ये पनिशेबल है विथ रिग्रेस इम्प्रिजनमेंट फॉर अ टर्म विच में एक्सटेंड टू 3 years. 3 years की सजा है, रिग्रेस इम्प्रिजनमेंट है, और विथ फाइन और बोथ एज पर सेक्शन 354A सबसेक्शन 2. नाउ सबसेक्शन 3 इसका बात करता है that if a man is making sexually colored remark on a woman, then he is said to be guilty of sexual harassment. We know what is the punishment for this. Subsection 3 says that he shall be punished for an rigorous imprisonment for a term of 1 year, for a term which may extend to 1 year, or with fine or both. So these are the punishment for sexual harassment. Sexual harassment is punishable और उससे related provisions we know that section 354A के अंदर दिया गया है. You should know this. So we are having separate law. हमारे पास separate law है when there happens a sexual harassment at workplace. But if we are talking about Indian Penal Code, so it is not just limited to sexual harassment at the workplace, but it punishes such harassment done anywhere. So IPC makes it possible to file a criminal complaint if you have been sexually harassed, while the special law gives you the option of seeking these civil remedies and damages involving your office administration. This is very much important that everybody should know this particular section. Not only law student but everyone should know about sexual harassment and the punishment for sexual harassment. Sexual harassment, if a man is demanding any kind of, a man is demanding or requesting for sexual behavior, then it is said to be a sexual harassment. It is said to be punished under section 354A, subsection 2, for an imprisonment which may extend to 3 years, or fine, or both. If a man is showing pornography against the will of the women, then it is a sexual harassment. It is also punishable under section 354A, subsection 2, punishment 3 years, or fine, or both. If a man is committing physical contact and advances involving unwelcome and explicit sexual overtones, then it is also said to be sexual harassment. Under subsection 2 of 354A, it is punishable. 3 years की imprisonment है. And if a man is making any kind of sexually colored remark on a woman, then this is also punishable under section 354A, subsection 3, with a fine as well as with an imprisonment for which may extend to 1 year or both. So these are the provisions one should know. If the sexual harassment is happening at any kind of workplace, we are having special law for this also, enacted in the year 2013. About that, IPC के अंदर you will get, it is not just limited to workplace, again saying harassment happened at the work, sexual harassment happened at the workplace, but it punishes such harassment done anywhere. One should know this particular provision of section 354A. This is very much important, and if you people have any doubt, do let me know below in the comment box, and to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you so much.